Okay, hello, welcome to my video tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to do a video request from more than 10 people about what is VMware Workstation, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So first off, I'll show you an example of something running in VMware Workstation. What it does is it lets you run a different operating system in your own. See here, I'm running Windows XP. You can see it's Windows XP. And I've installed Vista on here. If I click here, as you can see, here I am in Vista, and it's working quite smoothly, working really fast, and even with the screen recorder on, it's not even lagging a single bit. As you can see, it's really fast. I'll try and connect to the internet, see if it'll work. Don't know if I've set up the network driver, but it should work. No, I haven't set up the network driver. But anyway, as you can see, it's Vista running in a box like this called a virtual machine window. And as you can see, here's XP and here's Vista, and it's running fine. So I'll just power that off, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So if I go File, New, Virtual Machine, and it'll come up with the wizard, go Typical. And you can, if you have the CD of the operating system, you can do it from your drive, install it from there, or the quicker alternative is installing from an ISO. So today I'm going to show you Puppy Linux, which is a very small but useful operating system. It's only 100 megabyte. If you want to download it, just search Puppy Linux. It's quite useful. Select your operating system. You can select the Windows ones, the Linux ones, but Puppy Linux isn't there, so I'll go to Other and Other. Next, name it Puppy Linux. Maximum disk size, you can choose the disk space. I'm going to give it 8 gig. And then customize hardware. You can choose the RAM, I'll keep it at 256. You can choose the ISO image, so you can change it. So when you've installed it, you can say if you want to install a program, you can open an ISO in there. There's floppy drives, the network adapter, the sound, the display, and you can even add more processors. So when you've done that, go to Finish, and as you can see here, it is starting to boot up VMware. So I will just pause it and wait for Puppy Linux to install. Okay, so as you can see here, Puppy Linux is booted up, and as you can see, it works perfectly. It's really fast. As you can see here, there's no lag at all. So you can do quite a lot in this. It's got a writer, it's got a calculator, painter, drawer, browser, email client, chat client, it's got a zip client, you can play your music, and it's even got a console there. It's even close that. It's even got virtual windows, so I open a calculator here. As you can see, here's a weird looking calculator. Oh, it's not a calculator, it's a calculator and an Excel spreadsheet. It's quite cool. And if I click here, it's gone, and I can load something else here, say like the paint. As you can see, everything opens quite fast, and can have it in a little virtual window. So as you can see, everything works really good. So that's it really. So it's just showing you how to install a virtual machine. So you can do stuff like install Vista and stuff, but make sure you know how much RAM you've got, because you have to set the RAM. Don't set it too high or it will crash your computer. So that's it really. So thanks for watching my video tutorial. Like my tutorials, please comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks again. And also one more thing, tomorrow on the 15th of October I am going to do the giveaway of my VMware Workstation. I've got 2 keys and I'm going to be giving them away. The details will be in another video right after this.